Hey guys, we are about to start our 2022 STAAR review, and I wanted to go over how we're going to do this. So we do it a little bit differently than anything else we've done this year. So hopefully you'll have some fun with it because you get to work with a group, and it's not just a group in your English class, but a group in the other English class. So Miss Sasso's and my classes are combined, and you'll work with a group in both. So you see here I'm holding a folder, and we are going to go through each of the 6 genres that we'll be testing. These are all genres that we've been working with this year. And so the first thing that you're going to do is to get with your group, and you'll find your group, and Mrs. Sasso and I will help kind of lead you through finding your group. And then once you have that group, you're going to sit down in either Miss Sasso or my classroom, and you're going to complete the 3 tasks that are in that classroom. Then you're going to move over and complete the 3 tasks that are in the other classroom. So whatever task you start with, it doesn't matter. You're going to pick up a packet where you're going to put your answers, and then you're going to work through all of the strategies. So there's different strategies that you're going to use for each of those genres. And as you work through them, you'll get a folder, open it up, read the instructions. These are also on Schoology, so if the folders are all gone and you still need to do it, you can just go on Schoology and see what to do. So for example, this is poetry. For poetry, you're going to complete the TP cast over the poem before you answer the questions. You're going to have the teacher check and possibly collect the TP cast. We may collect them, or we may say keep it until the end of our review. You're going to complete the questions over the poem First Day of Spring, and then you're going to bring your answers up to the teacher so that we can check it. So again, if you're in poetry, you're going to start with the folder. You're going to grab the poem and the multiple choice questions, and then in your packet you will turn and you'll find poetry. This one's not poetry, this one's annotation, but you'll find the poetry TP cast, and there is your TP cast. Okay, there's one page that kind of goes over the TP cast, and then there's a blank graphic organizer for you to fill out. Fill out the graphic organizer, answer the questions, bring them up to your teacher, and we will check your answers and make sure they are right. When you're completely done with poetry, we'll sign on this little puzzle piece. Getting all of the puzzle pieces done in the time that you have to work on this means that you will get tickets from your teacher. Okay, so our classroom tickets that get you like fruit snacks, and I have mechanical pencils and sometimes gel pens and things like that. So you're going to work through each genre that way. Again, it doesn't matter what order you do, you're going to do all of the genres. The other part, the 7th piece, is that you're going to watch the video on annotating and fill out the graphic organizer for annotating, which is just the 11 steps of annotating. Some of you may have seen this video before, but again, this is our STAAR review. So if you've seen it before, that's okay. We want you to see it again. We want you to be able to list those 11 steps. Any of these strategies are the strategies we really want you to use when you're testing, and the test is coming up here in just a couple of weeks. So ask your teachers as you have questions, but remember, you're going to complete, and on the paper it will be each of the genres plus the annotating. So there's 7 tasks that you are doing. You are working with your group. Some of you may not like the people in your group. That's okay. You're not asked to marry them. You're discouraged from holding hands. We will not allow kissing. You are just asked to, for the next week or a week and a couple of days, you're going to be working with that group of people. The idea is that before you bring up your answers, all of you in your group have gone over the multiple choice questions, and then the teacher will grade it and see and let you know if you've missed any. Okay, So this is a really great way to review because you get to explain your answer choices to each other before you're turning it in. So hopefully you'll have all of the right answers each of the times. All right, so again, ask your teacher as you have questions. We'll be here to check your work. We'll be here to make sure you're working, and we'll be here to help you with anything that you need. All right, good luck.